The iQOO Z11 Turbo is rumored to launch in January 2026. iQOO announced that the Z11 Turbo is now open for pre-orders. The handset features a square-shaped rear camera module housing dual sensors within a pill-shaped cutout, while the LED flash sits outside the module. The smartphone will debut in pink, white, black, and blue color variants. The iQOO Z11 Turbo is said to have a 6.59-inch 1.5K LTPS OLED screen. The phone's display may offer a refresh rate of 144 Hz and an ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor. The device could be equipped with a 200-megapixel Samsung HP5 primary camera and a secondary 8-megapixel camera. Feature a 32-megapixel front camera. The iQOO Z11 Turbo will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chipset, paired with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.1 storage. Run on Android 16. The device is said to be backed by a 7,600 mAh battery. That the Z11 Turbo has the same large corners on the display, a metal middle frame. For durability, the device will offer an IP68/69 rated dust and water resistance. The iQOO executive confirmed that the device will be priced at around 2,500 yuan. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.